This is our source factory, which has produced over 60,000 pieces in a multi-billion investment in carbon fiber. Everyone, please help me assess what's lacking. This is our technology showroom with over 2 million invested, where we mainly display our social responsibilities and these 18 patented technologies. This wall features some of our achievements over the past 20 years. The government has awarded us a prize. It's also important to note that these patents cover not just aesthetics, but also our product structures and some of the R&D patents. This complete set of products was our first unsaturated and exploratory set 20 years ago. When speaking about the opposite wall, I really feel proud. I'd like to ask everyone, who else in carbon fiber incorporates their own carbon fiber uniform factory? This area is associated with some of our automotive projects. And here I need to highlight, we have constructed the noses for civilian aircraft. Look at the nose cone of the fighter jet. Behind me, this building is the staff dormitory with a cafeteria on the first floor. This is our employee cafeteria, providing 3 meals a day, all year round, as part of the factory. Have you ever seen such a thing? We have stir-fried potatoes with pork, cabbage, and scrambled eggs with tomatoes. What's this? Ribs, right? Chicken? Stewed pork ribs with chicken. It's nearly 11:50 now, and we will start lining up in sequence. Different batches, and by around noon, we should have finished serving all the meals. This is phase 1 of our factory, producing on average 700 carbon fiber products daily. Although the current economic environment is tough, fortunately, our orders have been continuously growing. Phase 2 of our plant has been completed and production has started. This is our finished goods warehouse. Everyone take a look at the vast amount of goods stored here, which we will soon dispatch. This area is our finished goods warehouse. Whether it's tail wings, front lips, rear lips, or bonnets, our inventory exceeds 100,000 units. I'll take you to the second floor to see how we've structured it to accommodate even more products. Each type of product has its own special storage location number. This way, we can ensure optimal use of space while also minimizing the risk of shipping errors. On the other side is another finished goods warehouse because originally we had only built one, but due to excessive stock, we built a new one and connected it with a bridge for more convenient shipping. Overall, we can review the side lips, and rear lips, and the divided 3-segment full-range product type. You might think I was exaggerating the last time I talked about shipping over 200 containers. Look at this as the quantity of goods shipped in one day, including shipping areas. Each label goes to different addresses, and some are batch shipments while others are direct shipments to customers. Everyone claims their product quality is good, but how do you show it? It's not just something you say. You all can see on the walls of our entire factory, the system documents are displayed everywhere, including our OS management. Each product has an identity card, a barcode assigned to it. This barcode, as you see, our entire factory is equipped with computers and screens. This retrieval code tracks each control point of every process and records who performs it and how to ensure each process achieves the desired effect. All of these are according to the standards of our system documents. This large bumper is for the Mustang, and we handle the entire production process. The entire production of the bumper. With this bumper, look closely in terms of detail control. It truly surpasses some of the major international brand standards. This is our quality inspection department for finished products. Take a look at all these documents. All these documents are our system documents and quality checkpoints. Then, the entire process involves various stages that we go through in quality control. After reaching quality control, what are the customer standards? What are the accepted standards for all our products? And what are our standards for patterns? So, all details should be standardized, including SOP, machine documentation, to ensure the consistency of the product quality. This is why I confidently say why choose us, because we can truly achieve consistent quality akin to traditional craftsmanship, able to achieve every detail according to the standards, and frankly, it took us 15 years to reach this point. This entire area is our spray painting area. However, as it is a dust-free area, we cannot enter, so from the outside, we can only see the inside operations through the screen. Now, the outside temperature is between 2 to 3 degrees, but inside the workshop, it stays between 25 to 27 degrees. This 25 to 27 degrees is the constant temperature standard for this workshop, but for the hot press tank workshop, our temperatures are even lower as it requires colder storage conditions. However, in this saturated lost carbon workshop, we maintain these temperatures all year round. So in the winter, all our facilities are heated, and in the summer, they're air-conditioned. This is our tooling inventory, our mold warehouse. We have over 6,000 molds for vehicles dating from 1998 to the present. If any of you buddies are from the Pingbang area and have a vehicle from around 1998, feel free to tag me there. This right here is our core weapon, the CNC R&D Center. Everyone look here, non-CNC staff should not enter randomly. Although I'm the boss, I also cannot enter randomly. I have to apply. Then regarding the molds we produce, we make over 150 sets of plastic per month. This is our semi-finished product storage. Everyone look here. After trimming, all our products are placed here. And if they can be distributed on the same day, they're all gone now. Nothing left on the ground. We distribute goods from here, and what's left over that hasn't been distributed gets stored on a mezzanine floor for future needs. Behind here are our metal CNC machines. Metal CNC equipment is fairly common in the market. For us, they're used to make gauges and some metal molds. We just toured the Phase 1 workshop. Now, let's move on to Phase 2. We build all our standards according to those applicable in Europe. This is our dry carbon production workshop. Take a look at this effect on the ground. We are preparing to implement CS management here. You see there's a TV on every work surface, and these are used for our work instruction manuals, ensuring the standard consistency of quality in every. This area is our finance department workshop, where we organize the system entirely through AI intelligent layout. Automatic sensing doors, and we have a total of 15 fabric cutting devices. Take a look. This is the layout for cutting fabric. On the screen, it shows that our 15 cutting machines handle 700 pieces a day. But we don't have many workers, as we use AI to solve the productivity improvement issues. This is the area for hot press tank equipment. Here, we have a total of 8 devices, and throughout the company, we have 15 hot press tanks. There are few in Phase 1. This is Phase 2. Take a look at this largest device, 3 meters by 6 meters. Our entire vehicle can go directly into this one. So for those very large projects, big size products, we utilize this tank to make them. Then here are some smaller tanks as well. And overall, there are more smaller tanks. Overall, we have 15 hot press tanks, and you can calculate our daily output. Walking around this route almost amounts to 20,000 steps. So whether you need private carbon, dry carbon, or have higher end brand needs, or even if you have personalized branding needs, perhaps I can help you achieve that.